Hello and welcome everybody to our webinar today. We'll be starting in just a few moments. Just give it a minute to let a few people join. Then we'll kickstart the session today. Okay, so we'll start. Let me just start with the intro. My name is Osman Mahmood. I'm the COO at Innovate. Co-hosting today's session with Hassan and Danish. Well, you may be able to see on screen. So today we'll be running our second out of three series of webinars. So the previous session we had a couple of weeks ago was about how to use Copilot for sales in D365. Today's session is about how to use Copilot for marketing and customer insights in D365. And our final one scheduled for next week would be about how to use Copilot for customer service in D365. So exciting topics. Today's session, just like the previous ones, we'll be doing some presentation as well as doing a live demo. So you get to see Copilot in action. And understand its use cases better. So we're really excited that everybody has joined. Before I hand it over, I just want to do a quick poll just to see where everybody is joining us from. It'd be nice to know where everybody is located. So we'll give it a minute, see. To those who are joining, please do respond to the poll. You may pop up in front of your screens. All right, so we'll leave that poll on the side, and with that, I'll hand it over to Hassan to please go ahead and start the presentation.
Thank you very much, Usman, and thank you very much, everybody, for joining again for our session pertaining to the how you can revamp your marketing and customer insights along with the capabilities of Microsoft Copilot. So in this session, I am hoping that a majority of the users are the business users from the small or medium enterprises, or maybe from the enterprise organizations, while some of the audience may be with respect to the Microsoft Dynamics 365 community or Microsoft Dynamics 365 custom consultants side as well. So before going to the technical presentation and demonstration, I would like to introduce who we are, and we all are representing Innovate. So we are the Microsoft Gold certified partner. We are the tier one CSP solution provider from Microsoft. We have been actively working in 10 plus locations with 50 plus industry, vertical industry experience that includes manufacturing, that includes retail, that includes professional services, that includes the financial services, public sector, etc. And we have served 350 plus customers across the globe with a very, very focused customer centric strategy. And we have experience of of almost more than two decades now. And along with the tracks record of success with a very, very value and focused delivery across the globe. So when we talk about in today's world that specifically when we talk about it, how you can do the marketing and how can you do the customer insights, and especially it leads to the revenue increase of your organization. So in today's world nowadays it's very hectic to win and keep customer in a very, very competitive environment where there is a lot of technologies there, and there are very and it's an era of the artificial intelligence as well. So why it's getting challenging day by day? Because managing change is becoming very much challenging. And why change is becoming challenging? Because even it's in small and medium enterprises, or either it's an enterprise organizations. So maybe in some organizations the data is disconnected, because data is sometimes lying in different apps. Maybe there is a different app for the financial, maybe there is a different app for HR, and there is a different app for supply chain solutions or manufacturing solution or the marketing or the customer service management. So basically, when there are heterogeneous environment and the data is not integrated with each other, so it leads you guys towards the slowness of the insights. And once these insights are very much slow and it's time consuming, so basically it leads to the insights for the non-actionable insights, or actionable insights you get after a long period of time. Eventually, it will be challenging to have the privacy and compliance with respect to your organization policies, with respect to your organization's technology policy. So that is the reason that all now in this tech era, so people have realized, and we as Innovate and we as Microsoft has also realized that traditional CRM solution is not designed for the rapid innovation. Although we have been working in the industry since last two decades, and we have implemented traditional CRM solutions in so many organizations within airlines, within the pharmaceutical companies, with the banking sector, or with the professional services solution. So, but since last 3 or 4 years, we have realized that we need to have the intelligent CRM solutions along with the capabilities of the generative AI that basically simplifies the sales process, and it leads towards the improving of the customer interaction. So that is the need of the hour in order to adopt the continuous change in this technological era, or if we want to win a competitive advantage over your competitors. So the age of AI is round the clock, and it's there. And basically, AI has set the stage for a new era of innovation. So when we talk about the new era of innovation with respect to the Microsoft technology stack and with respect to the Innovate solution offering, so we have a very, very scalable, and we have a very, very much agile technology that helps you guys to leads towards the capabilities of the generative AI solution within within the capabilities of Microdynamics, and also integrated with the OpenAI solutions or also with the third-party applications as well. And the product name is Dynamics 365 Copilot. So when we talk about artificial intelligence, so basically it's a real-time collaborator, basically that enables you for the more discovery. It generates fresh content ideas as well. So in today's real-time use case, I will be giving you the idea that how you can design the email campaign marketing along with the capabilities of marketing and customer side modules. And Copilot will be helping out in designing the overall email marketing campaign, and it will suggest that which exact image or which exact content you should write for getting the more attraction from the audience, or more attraction from the market segment, or from the leads, or from the prospect, or any customer base. So basically, it also automates the segmentation. So in today's demo, I will should be showing that how you, with the capabilities of Copilot and marketing and customer insights, you can have the AI-based segmentation as well, based on the region-wise. Either they are my West Coast customers, or they are in my East Coast customers. That could be the region-wise, or that could be a product category-wise, or that could be the product group-wise, or any type of segmentation based on the volume generation, or on the basis of the high revenue generation. So AI will be helping you out in having this customer segmentation, and ultimately it will help you towards building the personalized customer journey. So maybe for Fortune 500 companies, you want a different customer journey. Maybe for level 2, or for tier 2 customer, or tier 3 customer, you want a different personalized customer journey. So Copilot will be helping you out in designing the personalized customer journey. And ultimately, it will help your marketing team, sales team, customers experience team, or any type of back office team to complete their work at in a respective manner, and within the time frame as well. So the shift in customer service is impacting everyone. So if you are a data wrangler, if you are a marketer, if you are a seller, or if you are a customer service agent, so it's impacting you in today's world. Because as a data wrangler, what you want the holistic view of your customer data in a more precise way. While as a marketer, you want the customer amazing experience that is very much faster, and that is very much easy to access as well. As a seller, what you want to deliver more to your customers, and in an very much truly is understandable manner, so that you can pitch the right product at the right time. While for custom as an service agent management, you want the quick customer resolution. You want their effective turnaround time, so that you can get back to the customer in a timely manner. So according to a research, 14% of the organization wants the 360-degree view of their customers. 60% of the organizations want to orchestrate the personalized customer journey as well. While 85% of the customer wants to better understand their customer needs, while 53% of the customers wants the proper visibility of the customer experience, either it's complaint management, or either it's customer service management. So when we talk about Microsoft Dynamics 365 customer insights, so as in data wrangler, where there is a need of the more holistic view of your customer, 360-degree view, so you can have a unified view of your customer. You can pinpoint your audience. You can use the product predictive insights with the proactive analysis, with the track and measurement of the key performance indicators defined for your customer 360-degree view. While at the same time, with respect to the marketer, you can build the journey more faster. If you remember, if you are already a user of Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM, where you create the customer journey manually. So I will be showing you out in today's demonstration session that how you can create with the capabilities of the Copilot. You can define a customer journey in a textual manner, while the Copilot will be configuring it into Dynamics CRM. All the workflows, all the customer journey will be automatically created with the help of the Copilot. So You can also create your new segments. You can nurture your leads in real time, and then you can convert your leads into the opportunities. And with the opportunity, you can create more proposal, and more proposal you can create into the customer ordering as well. And while with respect to the seller, you can have a shared vision as well. You can close faster and build loyalty to your customers. You can continue the conversation in the channel that is preferred to your customer. Either it's email, either it's WhatsApp communication, either it's social media, either it's Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, whatever the medium a customer wants to interact with. And also you can have the enablement for the greater visibility as well. So the, how you can have this. So the need of the hour is to close the gap by activating data to gain insights. So when we have a 360-degree view that connects apps and channels of engagement, where you can have the demographics of the customer, you can have the transactional view, you can have the behavior or the sentiment analysis for your customer. Either you are into a medical industry, either you are into trading business, either you are a professional organization, or either you are into public sector. So according to some recent research, 5 to 10% of the customer have the increase in revenue if they are having an effective 360-degree view of the customer. And also you have the real-time information, and you have the get ideas, or you can have the help from the generative AI for the email writing, for summarizing the email, or for designing any type of campaign. While at the same time, it helps you with the help of the Copilot and marketing and customer insights. Some of the organizations had the history of 15 to 25% decrease in costing as well. So, and in today's demo, you will see that how you will see a glimpse that how it will be helping out in increasing your revenue from 15 to 25%, and also 15 to 25% you can have the decrease into the costing as well. So you can have a get and you can have a complete view from Dynamics 65 customer insights and co-pilots. So you can have the interactions, you can have different type of workflows, you can have the ads, you can integrate it with the third party or custom apps, you can have the marketing campaigns, you can have track the campaign responses, you can have the event management. And event management Copilot will be helping out that what is the more effective way of having the event management, what could be the planned activity, what could be the planned channels, and what marketing collateral should be used, and which audience or segment it should reach out. So ultimately it will be helping you out for the analytics. So I will close down today's demo in an analytics based on a personalized customer journey, and also based on a personalized marketing campaign as well. So what is the approach? So the approach that we follow as Microsoft and as Innovate is that we basically have the three steps. So when we have the customer insight, so basically comprisingly, it doesn't matter to us that either the data is lying in SAP or in Salesforce, or in either in Sybase or in Microsoft Office 365, or either in Azure, or in any native Dynamics 365 application. The reason is that our first step is this unification, where all the data is unified into one umbrella, into the customer insights, where it can be used for the insights, or to convert that insights into an actionable insights. So in actionable insights, you can have the platform that is available with us is the Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, or any Dynamics 365 application, or Microsoft Bing, or any type of Adobe application, or any type of Google Ads as well. So there is a complete marketing solution. So where you can create the raving fans, you can engage in new ways, you can own your customer relationship, which will have you the capability of driving the marketing efficiency as well, and also boosting the advertising performances as well. So when we talk about a marketing solution in detail, again, there are three steps. First is the understanding of the platform that basically that brings all the customer data platform into one channel. And then once all the understanding is there into the common data model or into the common data services or any type of the entity database, on top of that one, you can orchestrate the customer journey as well. So what you can do, you can create the customer journey orchestration, that what will be the ideal scenario, what will be the worst scenario, what will be the average scenario, and how much audience, what will be the lead to sales conversion ratio, lead to account conversion ratio. So you can define all this orchestration. And the beauty is that definitely if you are a business user of Dynamics 365 or you are a consultant, you would know that you can orchestrate the journey even in Dynamics 365. But if you are not using Copilot, you are creating the journey manually. But on the basis of the historical trends, on the basis of the public data available, on the basis of the private data available into Dynamics 365, you can orchestrate the journey with the help of the Copilot, and then you can also do any type of adjustment or any type of tweaking in the customer journey as well. And the final step is the engage, where you can have the digital engagement, you can have the direct engagement. When we talk about the digital engagement or the direct engagement, it includes marketing, it includes the having the capabilities of the chatbot using a very famous product that is called virtual agent as well, and also with the help of any type of marketplace, either it's mobile application or either is website. And also it will also Copilot will be helping you out in having the human related interactions as well. That what should be the human related interaction as well. Either it's an event or either it's an any type of service management or either it's any type of like one-on-one meeting or any type of email engagement as well. So basically, the crux of the story is that with the marketing solution, you can have the leverage, you can respond the customer in a timely manner, you can respond any campaign response in a timely manner. It can be activated at any time, and also it will also with the help of the Copilot and with the help of the Azure machine learning, there will be a process of the self-learning. So for every customer journey, for every customer segmentation, there will be a self-learning process with the help of the Copilot or with the help of the Azure machine learning tools. So when we talk about the unification, so in unification, there are the pre-built connectors available from Microsoft. We have a long repository of the built-in connectors where it's compatible with SAP, with Oracle, with Salesforce, or any third-party solution as well. And also it has the additional capabilities of the Power Query connectors as well. And on top of Power Query connectors, we have the capabilities of connecting the customer data models as well with any platform, either it's native Dynamics 365 application or either it's the native Microsoft technology stack like SharePoint, OneDrive, Microsoft Teams, or any type of data modeling is there. And also, it can also bring your own data lake as well, like Azure Data Lake as well. And then once the data is unified, then there is a process of the enriching. So when we discuss the enriching in a bit detail, so we can have the audience analysis, we can have the third party data providers, we can have the aggregation with Office 365 data, we can have the aggregation or consolidation from multiple system as well. And also we have the SFTP custom imports as well for bringing any data based on the batch scheduling or any type of the if manual import is required sometimes. So there are few pre-built AI models from the Microsoft repository as well, where you can have the transaction and subscription churn. You can have the best product recommendation from Copilot as well, from customer insights as well. That is a very popular thing in the business of the e-commerce for the product recommendation or into the retail business. Because in today's world, as far as the brick and mortar store is important, so at the same time, e-commerce store are equally important. So customer, you can have the customer lifetime value as well. You can have the customer sentiment analysis. If you remember in our last webinar, I showed you that how you can have the positive sentiment analysis and the negative sentiment analysis. So you can have the real-time information of using the capabilities of the pre-built AI models as well. So now this use case or the scenario that I will be covering today session is the main role is the Benjamin, and Benjamin he is basically a senior marketing manager for a very big company which is under the umbrella of the Fortune 500 with the name of Contoso Coffee. And basically Benjamin needs to design or create a campaign for one of the newest coffee machine that company is going to introduce to their prime customers across the globe. So, Benjamin is very senior marketing guy, always on and periodic frequency. His team is always engaged for designing the marketing campaigns for the newest technology or newest machine that is introduced into the market. So I will be showing you that how you can choose the right segment based on the pre-built AI models, and how Microdynamics 365 marketing and customer insights along with the capabilities of the Copilot will be helping you out in designing the right customer segmentation. Either you are in any industry, if you are working into retail business, either you are into trading business or professional service business. So AI, using the capabilities of the AI, you can design or you can have the suggestions for designing the segments of your customer audience as well. And also how you can create your new marketing campaigns with the help of the Copilot, and Copilot will be suggesting you for the new ideas, for the new innovation that you can bring on into your marketing campaigns. And then how you can arrange your content ideas. You can have the image assistance from the Copilot, and after that campaign is finished, so the next process is the publishing or creating the customer journey into the marketing module, so that you can have these analysis and you can have the performance analyzation of that particular customer journey, that if this journey is completed, what is the next journey and how that journey will be supported through customer insights. And also review the journey performance, and also you can understand for the journey analytics as well. So now I'm shifting to the product demo.
So Hassan, while you switch to the demo, I'm just a quick note for everybody. I'm running another poll. So please take a moment to respond to that, as we'd like to see how many that have joined today are actually Dynamics users. It's something that's helpful for us to know. All right, thank you. Please continue.
Yes, please. Okay. So I hope everybody can see my screen. So Swan, can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, like I have been saying that maybe you are an already user of Microdynamics 365 CRM, or maybe you are in Dynamics CRM consultant as well. So this is the native, application interface for the customer insight journey. So there is no advancement from Microsoft so far. But here you can see the capabilities that you can see that the source is customer insights, and at the back end, this data is being calculated and being analyzed from different systems. Maybe some data is coming from SAP, maybe from Cybex, from Salesforce, or maybe from any ERP solution. So you can see over here that using the capabilities of this segmentation, AI-based segmentation. So here you can see you can arrange your customers based on the coast-wise, let's say East Coast customers, my West Coast customers, my gold customers, my silver customers, my bronze customers, or on the basis of any type of product categorization as well. Let's say these are my high CLV event attendees, and these are my product wise fair table coffee subscription customers. So these customers are based on different dimensions. Here, if you see this one, fair trade coffee subscription customers. So this is on the basis of my support and maintenance customer, and AI has suggested me the capabilities that you can have the subscription customers with respect to the fair trade coffee, which is an product categorization, and also based on any type of cases resolved, and you can see the status is the ready to use. So you can use all these segments into any type of marketing campaign, or or any type of creating the customer personalized journey, or having the any type of triggers as well. So you can see over here, you can define your journey, you can define have the analytics, you can have the triggers, you can have these segments. So just for the sake of an example, I am creating a new email campaign. So here, these are the campaign. You can see that as far as you remember, that Benjamin is now creating the new campaign for the new coffee machine that company is going to launch. So I will click over here as the new email template. So this is again the native capabilities of the Microdynamics 365 marketing and customer insights. So here there will be a magic that you will see with the help of the Copilot. So you can see this is the email template that has been pre-configured, and that is the default capabilities of CRM solution. So you can select anyone. So I'm just, for the sake of example, I am selecting over here, and then what activity you should plan off. So here you can see there is an icon with the name of the Copilot, and there is an Copilot preview. So you can see, you can create an email and the suggested topics. So when you see the suggested topics, you can see you can have the abundant cart, you can have the email invitation, you can have the promotion, you can have the reactivation, you can have the referral, or you can have any custom topic as well. So just for the sake of example, like you have been like you received this event invitation from Innovate. So just as in similar application, so we are creating an event invitation for this new coffee machine that we are going to launch. So here you can see again the content suggestion is there from Microsoft. We can have keywords can be suggested from the Copilot. So I'm just getting get ideas. So what I have done, I have just selected out that I want to get ideas from Copilot for having the email content, and also respective help from the Copilot. So this is the draft that has been suggested from Copilot. You can see Copilot has suggested me four or five different drafts which I can select over here. So just for the sake of example, I like this draft because it's saying that this is revolutionary machine featuring smart technology innovation to save you time and effort. So this is a very professional and very much precise content suggested from Copilot. So I can just add to my draft. So here you can see in this email template, this all draft text has been pasted by the Copilot. So although I can do any type of adjustment by selecting the tags, I can have any type of more text over here. But due to any reason, Benjamin is not liking this image for this campaign. So he can click over here and then select replace image. So here you can see. So now this is the capability that Copilot has a cutting edge over the other generative AI solutions, because it's tightly integrated with the capabilities of the LLM, that is large language model, that use the public data and also your private data that is residing or lying in your CRM solution or any of your local application as well. So due to any reason, Benjamin is liking this image, so we can select it, and then you can see this image has been pushed into the email template. And now this email template is ready to use. They can send ready to send based on the marketing list or the market segment they want to publish to. So this is the classic example, and this is the capability that I just showed you of that how you can have the designing of the new email campaigns with the help of the Copilot. So once the campaign is over, you know the default process of CRM is that you can design the customer journey. So here a lot of customer predefined journeys has been created. Let's say high retention customers, my intelligent coffee machine events as well. So with the capabilities of the Copilot, with the capabilities of the generative AI and the Azure machine learning, these personalized journeys will also be suggested based on your historical data. So, but just for the sake of example, I am creating a new journey, and here this is a very like flexible and scalable and agile functionality supported by Copilot that, and it's a magic. Like you can see, I am just writing my customer journey that I want to create in a text, and the text is that targeting a cafe campaign launch segment, send an event invitation email, and if the email is not linked, then send some additional promotion email just to incentivize that email, so that it's giving or incentivizing the maximum audience to attend that particular event. And all those for all those audience who have clicked on the event invitation email, so just before one day the event, there should be a reminder email to all of them, so that they can attend the event. And after the event, there has to be an acknowledgement or the thank you email to all audience that has been attending the event. So just you can see over here, I'm just selecting I just wrote this text, and I am sending Copilot to create a journey for me. You can see now Copilot is suggesting the journey. So here you can see based on my text or based on my prompt, this journey is being suggested by the Copilot, and you can see it's giving in a very simple language that send an email, and if the customer click a link in the email, there has to be a reminder and wait for one day, and if the wait is over, or if the customer has not clicked the email link, so there has to be an reminder, there has to be a promotional email. So promotional email will be two templates. So 50% of the customer will get promotional email A, while rest of the 50% will be having the promotional email B. So I am accepting this one, and now I am creating the journey. So you can see, if you remember this workflow or this flow chart of the customer journey, we used to create manually into CRM solution. So here with the capabilities of the Copilot, this journey has been created by the Copilot, and this is the ultimate beauty that Microsoft has brought with respect to the creating the journey with the help of the Copilot. So you can see this complete journey is showing me that okay, this event invitation email, this is an activity, if you remember in the language of CRM. So this is the if or then branch. So if the email is clicked, then there is a reminder, and then there is an wait for one day, and then there is a second email. And if they have not clicked the email, so then there are two types of promotional email, promotion email A, promotional email B, and the audience will be different for all these journey. So but before that one, if you remember, we always need to create the goal for the journey. So the goal should be that 35% of the leads should be created to my opportunity, or 50 or 35% of should be my success ratio from converting from lead to the customer as well. So just for the sake of example, we have created the 35% as an percentile over here, and then we can select on event invitation email. So here there is an email template. So if you remember, this is the same template that I created or Benjamin created in the email campaign, and with the same image. So this is the we can select this particular email template, and then we can also click that what will happen if the email link is clicked. So after that one, it will be we can publish this journey. Here you can see over here that 50% of the version 50% of the audience will get this version, and 50% of the audience will have the B version as well. So we can publish this thing. So here you can see this is the total statistics, and this is the total analytics, that total inflow was 160, and 140 emails has been sent, 140 delivered, and 71 are the unique links, and what is the unique open ratio as well. So if you see, out of 160, there has been 81 for connections that has opened that particular email, while 79% has not opened that email. So for that one, additional two promotional emails will be sent out. So I'm just clicking out over here, running. Here you can see this is the click-through ratio. So we have the analysis for the version A. This is the click-through rate, which is the 50%, while for version B, there is a click-through rate of the 44%. And then this is the audience split ratio. So out of the email that was not opened, out of 79, 42 opened the version A, while 37 got the version B as well. And here you can see the rest of the analytics over here are there. And then once all this journey is up and running, then definitely we can have the analytics for that particular journey. So here you can see this is my total inflow, this is my email engagement rate. And like the beauty is that if you are using any other software, separate solution for the email engagement. So now Microsoft has the default capabilities of with the name of email engagement, where you can analyze all these email engagement rates as well. How many has been spammed, how many has been junked, or how many has been opened. So you can have the under the unified Microsoft Fabric, you can have all these email engagement rates as well. And then these are the how many days the journey has been activated, what is the goal status, and what is the your uh, channel engagement success. Either it's email, you can see over here, it's showing us that low waste technology for this is the percentile for this promotion A, this is the percentile, and this is the channel engagement issues as well. And also you can have the channel performance analysis as well. So just when we are coming back to the benefits, like with the capabilities of the Copilot and marketing and customer insights, you can unlock your powerful insights. Either you are into any line of business. So with the help of the Microsoft Unified Fabric, you can ensure success in your organization. Either you are an SME or either you are an enterprise organization, and you can protect your organization while being accelerating your outcomes, and also it will enable you to do more for your organization. So, and in last but not least, for this month, next week, we are having our last upcoming webinar that is pertaining to the Copilot shaping for customer service in Dynamics 365, and at 1 p.m. Eastern time zone. So meanwhile, if you have any question, we would love to answer your query over chat. So please write your questions over the chat. Over to you, Usman.
All right. Thank you very much, Hassan, for the demo. We hope everybody found that interesting. I'm just going to close out the poll that I had previously put out. I see some people are still responding, so let's give it a moment. Okay, closing in 5 seconds. All right, so we're good with time. We do have a couple of minutes, so please feel free to post any questions on the chat. As Hassan mentioned, we'll address those here while we have time. Okay, so we got a question. Can we bring in Google Analytics information on marketing landing page in Dynamics?
Yes, thank you, Bilal, for the question. So basically, yes, we have the built-in connector available with Google Analytics, and with the help of that connector, it will be bringing all the data from Google Analytics into the customer insights or into marketing as an customer data source as well. So we can have the real-time integration with the help of this connector with the Google Analytics. And Bilal, if you want, like what we can do, if you want further details on any specific requirement, we can have an discovery session with you guys. So, over that one, we will be analyzing your more requirements and will be, giving you the exact solution pertaining to your requirement. Further, one more question from Amit Durani. My question. Yes, Amit, we can have the visual view of the customer as well to analyze your campaign. Although it was not in today's session, but we can have a separate session with you, Amit, where we can show you that how you can visualize your campaign. You can have the performance analysis for your customer journey, and it will give you the 360-degree view of the customer if that customer has been into different customer journeys as well. So there is a visual view for that as well. And we can also have separate session with you if you want in a discovery session.
All right, I see we're just about running, we've run out of time. So thank you everybody for joining. Please feel free to provide your rating for today's webinar. It'll help us improve our sessions in the future. And look forward to seeing you again on the next one. Thank you, everybody.